Oh, that's going to be trouble. Oh, he's reacted.
We're still in trouble here, though.
Oh, that's a good squeeze. That was a hard physical rally. Watch Matthew's facial expressions here. Look how stern he looks.
And out.
He's giving nothing away there, though, is he?
Absolutely nothing. That was a hard physical rally.
There's that reaction volley again from Coppinger.
This is going to be trouble for Coppinger, although it's tied.
Well, he didn't make it with that one.
Perfect lob. What a lob. Beautiful variation from Matthew. Double hit there. So good pressure from Matthew.
When you hear the groan from the crowd.
8-4.
See there, he's onto that ball so early.
So Coppinger putting in one last attempt, and they're rewarded by unforced error. So
7-8.
finds himself within seconds, really, Drew Boy. 1 point behind at 7-8.
Well, we saw one brilliantly constructed rally from Stephen Coppinger, basically sandwiched between two Nick Matthew errors. So Nick Matthew just had a slight lapse, and Coppinger's at him, isn't he, straight away? Again, it's good, aggressive play from Stephen Coppinger. Really is taking this to Nick Matthew at the moment. Oh, look at that! That is
unbelievable hands.
It's outrageous.
That was silly stuff. How's it, Bru?
How's he done that?
How's it?
11-10.
Oh, that was quite superb from Coppinger. He's got his second game ball. Steve Coppinger has fought back and he's stolen that third game in a tie-break. Absolutely astonishing, really. Never write Coppinger off, though. He came back from a golf in the third. Deficit.
Look at this, though. It's relentless hitting from Nick Matthew, and now it's Stephen Coppinger that's getting frustrated. Look at that line, just enough to get past.
Oh, that's brilliantly. He smashed it on his leg there, on his head. Well, 56 minutes for this third quarter-final. Matthew manages to stay strong, taking out Steve Coppinger. 11-6, 11-4, 10-12, 11-3. 3 games to 1.
Well, look at that. Didn't think Peter Barker's drive was that bad, but Tom Richards lining it up and then working the ball brilliantly into the nick.
Barker's trying to step it up, though, Drew Boy, now. He's got to do something, isn't he?
Well, look, Tom Richards is coming back at him, though, isn't he?
Top quality match so far. Oh, he's got him.
Oh, look at
hit
the
a bit of sweat.
sweat.
Hit a bit of sweat.
Peter Barker can't believe it.
Tom Richards pushed up and the ball hit the sweat and skidded.
Well, it's certainly a good response from Peter Barker in the second game. Tom Richards not able to get as much control as he did in the first.
No, well, Barker's stepped it up slightly, hasn't he?
Well, it's the better lines coming from Peter Barker at the moment, which is allowing the man from Essex. Well, look at this, it's outrageous. What a get.
Well, I don't know how he's getting these balls back. This is ridiculous. He's still in the rally. Look at that.
Oh, look
so
at that. That is a relentless volley from Tom Richards.
Well, he timed that forehand volley beautifully. Look at that second bounce into the net. Perfect. And there's another unforced error. So Tom Richards is feeling it a bit here in terms of the concentration factor, but Peter Barker has knuckled down and tightened the screws.
Well, it's another error, but it was forced by Pete Barker, but the ball was glued to the sidewall. See it there, just absolutely stuck to it. Well, one thing you can be sure of is Peter Barker will give absolutely nothing away. Whereas Tom Richards, on the other hand, is clattering the tin now, and it's because he's getting so angry, he needs to just calm down a bit. Again, brilliant finish from Peter Barker, really cutting that ball in on the forehand drop.
10-4, game ball. Not up. Game to Barker.
So Barker cleans up.
Well, the end is nigh here, isn't it? Peter Barker turning the screw.
That is so tight. Look at this one. Look at it. Oh, that was tight.
We got a lot on that with absolutely no backswing there, Tom Richards.
Oh, that's stunning boast. What a time to put in the post. He's hardly played it all match. Clever shot selection from the veteran Englishman, Peter Barker. Well, 55 minutes of very good squash from the two Englishmen. Peter Barker using his experience to get rid of Tom Richards. 8-11, 11-4, 11-5, 11-7. 3 games to 1.